In this video we're taking an honest look at Muso AI so you can decide if it's worth using. Muso AI is a platform designed for music professionals, producers, songwriters, and engineers, to verify their credits and track analytics across major streaming services. It automatically pulls data from multiple sources to create accurate credit profiles and allows users to claim their work easily. The idea is great, especially since credit management in the music industry has always been messy. Many users praise the app's clean interface, large database, and its ability to merge multiple artist profiles. However, it's not perfect. Some users have reported missing or incorrect credits even after verification, and the analytics section can sometimes be inconsistent or slow to update. Others mention occasional glitches and limited search functions, which can make navigating long credit lists tricky. Muso AI's free version gives decent access to credit tracking, while the Pro plan adds deeper analytics. But whether it's worth paying for depends on how serious you are about monitoring your data. Overall, Muso AI is a promising tool for anyone who wants better control over their music credits, though it still has room to grow. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest tech tools for creators.